Welcome to today's weather forecast. It's sunny and sunny, perfect for a great day at the pool.
The National Weather Service in Chalo House has issued a tornado warning for central Chalo House County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:47 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located 8 miles southwest of Chalo House, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, vehicles, and trees is likely. Locations impacted include Chalo House, Chalo House Z, Chalo House Snow and Dust Precautionary/Preparedness Actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors, in a vehicle, or in a mobile home, move to the nearest substantial shelter immediately.
It looks like a tornado is coming this way.
I think we should evacuate.
Yes, but let's take some shots of the tornado and then we'll go.